For you guys out there that wanted to see how I did this, obviously this is the stock control on the Hobie Outback. Just there's like a little sticker that went over this right here. I kind of removed that sticker. This is a 10-30 little screw there. In this case I had to use a Allen key to get it out. That's what holds it onto your kayak, this little screw right here. So I had to remove that. This is the knob that a lot of people have. It's about $10. Just gotta remove that little cap there, unscrew this, take that out. We'll need that later. Now I took this, put it on a piece of cutting board, kind of like marked it out where I wanted it to go. Did the same thing the other direction. Once I cut it out and made it nice and smooth and everything, I countersunk this side and then the opposite end over here, and then in the middle I countersunk the smaller one. This one is like I said, it's a 10-30 screw. These two are quarter 20, quarter 20, quarter 20, which is what this is. That standard knob that fits right in there. So I ended up getting a 10-30 screw, and it was 1.5 inches. Actually I had to cut it down to about 1.25 inches. That's just so it didn't bottom out. I'll show you. So you send that one through the middle, obviously, and these are just a couple of little nylon plastic spacers. I needed 2 of those. They're about 1/4 inch roughly. It takes up about 1/2 inch space. It sits right in there like that, and if you see right here, there's like a little key on the kayak that it sits in. I just don't want that screw to run into that key, which it doesn't. So it's below that level, which is why this one was so short. Once I get that set, I took a this is a like I said, quarter 20. I think I actually cut this down just a hair. It's approximately 1.25 inches. Once again, it was probably 1.5 inches, and I just cut it off a little bit and made it nice so it's threads perfectly. So this will sit right in here like that. Screw this down. Once again, I countersunk it just to make it nice and flat so nothing catches on it. So basically you have something like that. This, like I said, there's that stock knob. Actually not stock, it's $10, but just kind of flip this inside out like this, and I'm going to send this through the bottom up this way, the knob on, put the washer on, and I just had to get just got a lock nut, quarter 20 obviously, that sits right on top of there. See if this is the right one. I believe it is. Okay, so obviously sock that down to wherever you want it, obviously a little tighter than that, so it's not wobbling. And that's basically it. Put your cap back on, get out to the boat there, put it on where it's supposed to be, line up the key obviously, screw this down, and you're good to go. Be closer to you so you can sit in your nice Jackson seat and not have to reach so far forward.